खूबसूरत है, मैं तो कहूँगी धरती पे स्वर्ग है।
Welcome back to our channel Ultimate Images. Today we are taking you on an amazing ride up the Banff Gondola to the top of Sulphur Mountain. At the height you will get stunning views of the Canadian Rockies and enjoy the calm beauty of the mountains. Getting to the Banff Gondola is an incredibly easy. Located just 5 kilometers from downtown Banff, you can reach it by driving your own vehicle or taking a convenient shuttle bus. If you choose to drive, there is a parking lot at the base station. Before wrapping up your gondola ride and venturing out to explore the breathtaking surroundings, consider these helpful tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable and memorable experience. Book your ticket in advance to save some cash. Yes, booking in advance not only guarantee your spot but also help you save some money, as ticket prices often vary with demand and same-day ticket purchases are typically more expensive. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. The mountain weather can change rapidly, and being prepared will make your experience much more enjoyable. The temperature at the base and the summit can differ significantly, hence wear the layers to stay comfortable as you adapt to changing conditions throughout the day. Exploring the area at the top involves some walking, so do not forget to wear comfy shoes. Proper footwear will make it easier to enjoy the breathtaking views and the trails at the summit. The facilities are wheelchair accessible and designed to accommodate families with children, seniors, and those with the limited mobility. Lastly, to enjoy more peaceful experience and avoid heavy crowds, plan your visit during quieter times, either earlier in the day, before noon, or later in the evening. Before you hop on the Banff Gondola, you will find yourself in a bright and comfy waiting area. It is not just a spot to kill time, it is a place to shop, eat and relax. The area has plenty of shops with everything from local craft to cool mountain themed clothes, perfect for picking up a souvenir. If you are hungry, there are cafes and restaurants where you can grab a bite before you ride. You will also find helpful staff at the information desk, plus restrooms and lounge area to make your wait easy. Take a moment to enjoy the view and get ready for the adventure ahead. When it is time to board, things get exciting. Friendly staff will guide you to the loading area where you will see the gondola cabins waiting to take you up. As you step onto the platform, you will get an even better view of the mountains around you. Once inside your cabin, the door closes and the journey up Sulphur Mountain begins. The ride is both calming and thrilling, with some of the most amazing views of the Canada waiting for you.
ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, मैं तो कहूँगी धरती पे स्वर्ग है।
इससे पहले आप कितनी बार आए हो आप इधर?
हम बहुत बार आए हैं वैसे तो, पर ये हर बार ही अपने में एक बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है। कितने भी बार आ जाओ, इससे मन नहीं भरता।
As you ride up, the snow-covered peaks of the Canadian Rockies slowly come into view, and they are absolutely stunning. Keep looking around. The mountains seem to change with every turn, and new amazing views pop up as you go higher. You will also spot thick forests covering the lower slopes, and if you are lucky, you might catch a glimpse of some wildlife along the way. The higher you go, the more breathtaking the scenery gets. Down below, Banff National Park stretches out like a giant painting with green valley, rocky hills and winding rivers. Make sure your camera is ready, because every single angle is picture perfect. Whether you are looking to capture the expansive landscapes or the details of the alpine environment, you will want to snap photos at every turn. As you step off the Banff Gondola at the summit station, you are greeted by crisp mountain air and stunning views of the Canadian Rockies. The peaks, dusted with snow, shine brilliantly under the sun, stretching as far as the eyes can see. The scenery is nothing short of magical, making you feel like you have stepped into the mountain paradise. From the summit station, you can venture onto the Sulphur Mountain boardwalk, a beautifully maintained path that is perfect for exploring the mountain's peak. This trail leads to the historic Cosmic Ray Station, a UNESCO World Heritage site that offers even more stunning views along the way. To explore the Cosmic Ray Station, it is about 1 kilometer walk each way, taking 20 to 30 minutes round trip. The path is pretty easy, but there are some stairs and high altitude might make it feel tougher. Take your time, catch your breath and enjoy the stunning Rocky Mountain views. It is totally worth it. At the end of the Sulphur Mountain boardwalk, you will find the Cosmic Ray Station. This historic spot sits high in the mountains and was once used by scientists to study cosmic rays. It helped them learn more about the universe and how it works. Now, I am here at the top of the Banff Hill and there is nobody around here. This is the Cosmic Ray Station. This historic spot sits high in the mountains and was once used by scientists to study cosmic rays. You are surrounded by towering mountain peaks with the peaceful town of Banff nestled in the valley below. It is the ideal place to pause, capture stunning photos, and soak in the unforgettable views. This is very mesmerizing here. It is very serene, and behind me you can see the peaks from this spot. The views are incredible. If you happen to come here, you must come and you must see. After soaking in the sights, it is time to head back down. The descent is just as stunning, especially if you catch it during golden hour or sunset. The town of Banff looks magical from above, glowing in the soft evening light. Thank you very much for joining us on this incredible adventure to the Banff Gondola. We hope you loved it as much as we did. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images. Your support helps us bring you more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring.